So hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to install TNT FR on your Amazon Fire TV. So let's start it. So first of all, go to your Amazon Fire TV settings menu. After the go to settings menu and go to now device and software option here. After go to device and software option, now click to developer option and click F from unknown sources, and you can see two button here, turn on and cancel. Just click on turn on, and now go back to your Fire TV home screen and go to find option. After the go to find option, click to search option here, and you can see this keyboard on your display. So just type here D, and you can see here downloader option. Just click on the downloader, and this is the downloader app in orange color. So download this app on your Amazon Fire TV. After the download, click to open it. After the open, you can see enter URL and search term here. So click on the enter URL and search term, and you can see the on-screen keyboard here. So just type here the I will ask you the link. So type here bit.ly. Just type this link on this section, and click to slash, and after the click slash, now here on type capital TNT FR TV. Just type this link on the this option and click to go option here, and wait for the status connecting. You can see here status now connecting. So you can see this app now has been downloading on our Amazon Fire TV. So wait for the download this TNT FR app. After the download app, I will show you how to install this app in your Amazon Fire TV. So wait for the downloading process. So you can see almost the file has been downloading. After the download, just click to install option. You can see, just click on the install option, and you can see this type of here. So click on cancel or install option here. So just click on install and wait for the installing process for install the app. So our app has been installed. Now click to done option and go back to your back screen, and you can see here install, delete and down done. So click on delete and click again delete, and now go back to your Fire TV home screen and click the app option on your Fire TV remote, and you can see the app appear here. So wait for the app processing. So you can see this icon here, TNT Flash TV. Just click on ready to launch. So this is the first interface of the TNT FR TV. So this is the app. This TNT FR TV now successfully installed in our Amazon Fire TV. So I hope you all guys like this video. If you like this video, share this video for family and friend, and thank you for watching my video.